In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the oil pan on your Chevy Malibu. This is going to be located on the bottom of the motor. Let's get started. Twist the oil cap and remove it. We're going to pull our oil dipstick just up and out. This will help drain the oil faster. Now to go under the car, using a 14 millimeter, we're going to remove the drain plug on our oil pan. Before removing your drain plug, be sure you have an oil collection under it. Remove the oil plug. Remove the 12 10 millimeter bolts. Using a pry bar or a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to get in between that oil pan and break the seal. Try not to hammer your tool in. We don't want to mar the surface. We just want to pop this pan down. When you pull this pan down, be careful because there should be oil still in it even though we drained it. And remove your oil pan. Using a scraper or a razor blade, go around and clean all the old RTV. Once you have the area scraped, we're going to let this drip for a while and let all of the oil not sit around the pan. Using a light abrasive pad, we're going to go around and clean our seal one more time. And while we're doing this, we're letting all of the oil just slowly drip out so all of it's gone when we go to reinstall the pan. Using a clean rag with some brake clean, we're going to go around and we're going to wipe our sealing surface, getting all of the old oil off, any of those oil drips. The next time we come back here, we're going to be putting the pan up with some new RTV, and we don't want any of that oil getting into that. Using a clean rag with some brake clean, we're going to go and clean this new pan. We're going to put our sealer. Any oil or residue off of that. Going to take some RTV. We're going to go around the pan. Put a bead all the way around the pan. I'm going to give this one last wipe to get all of the new drips off. Have your pan and bolts ready to go. Going to install a bolt into the pan. Line it up into place. Put a bolt on the opposite side. Snug up the bolts. Get the rest of the bolts started. Torque the oil pan bolts in a cross pattern to 89 inch-pounds. Go around one more time and double check. Snug up the drain plug. Torque your drain plug to 28 foot-pounds. Fill the oil with the correct type. It'll be labeled on your oil cap, and we're going to fill this to the manufacturer specification. Once you're done filling your oil, reinstall the oil cap. Push your dipstick down. Now we're going to go into the car and we're going to start it for about 5 minutes, turn it off, wait about 10, and then we can check our oil. We're going to pull our oil dipstick just up and out. This one's going to be a wipe. We'll go back in, check our level. Be sure that your oil is in between the high and low mark, preferably at the high. Once you've confirmed that, give it a wipe and reinstall it. We're going to show you how to reset the oil life. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, we're going to use the right over arrow, and then we're going to use the check, and we're going to press and hold. Reset. Yes. Now we're at 100% and good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.